Hey guys, Steve from Aquaponics here at Ouroboros Farms again. Today we're checking out the kale they have. They have this beautiful kale growing in the grow beds. You can see the lower parts have already been, kind of continuously pulled. You pull them regularly. The other thing that you can do with your kale is that little tiny spot in the center there. You can break that off and terminate that, and then what will happen is you'll get multiple heads on them. We don't have a good example here at the moment, but if you're trying to reduce the size, just get a lot more production off of one plant, you can definitely do that, but they don't really need to do that here because they have the space. But so check out the different kinds of kale they got going, how well it does. We got some dinosaur kale over here, or Nero kale. Doing real well. So, alrighty. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy these videos, check out ouroborosfarms.com and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.